Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Our topic for today is about how to enable Windows 11 23545 New Start Menu feature. First, go over to your browser and search for this tool. Open the website by GitHub, and here scroll down until you see the assets. Now, click on the zip file of the latest version to download it. After you finish downloading the zip file, open the file location. Next, right-click on the zip file, then select Extract to extract all of its files. You can choose to select the file path of it when you extract or leave it as it is. Make sure to remember the file location because you need it when you do the next step, or you can just simply copy the location of it. Now open your CMD on your computer, then run it as administrator. Inside CMD, type in CD, then paste the file path of the extracted ViveTool. Then next, type this. Then press enter. After you receive the successfully set features configuration, then exit the CMD and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.